Citroën DS19. This car reinterprets the iconic DS19, a symbol of elegance and French engineering from the 1950s, and adds a fresh twist with state-of-the-art technology, luxurious comfort, and high-end performance. The 2025 Citroën DS19 pays homage to the original with a sleek, futuristic design that's both minimalist and luxurious. Retaining the long, flowing lines and aerodynamic silhouette, the new DS19 has a sculpted look that turns heads wherever it goes. The modernized body keeps a low stance, and the distinctive headlights echo the classic design, but with advanced LED technology for enhanced visibility and style. Citroën has also paid special attention to details like chrome accents and a unique roofline that nod to the heritage of the original while embracing modern aesthetics. The design gives it an undeniable presence on the road, making it both a luxury sedan and a tribute to automotive history. Underneath this timeless exterior, the 2025 DS19 is powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers around 300 horsepower, allowing smooth and dynamic acceleration that suits both city driving and highway cruising. Citroën has engineered this model to balance power and efficiency, offering an all-electric range for shorter commutes and a seamless transition to hybrid mode for longer journeys. With its adaptive suspension system, the DS19 provides that famed magic carpet ride feeling, delivering a smooth, comfortable experience even on rougher roads. Inside the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and tech, featuring high-quality leather upholstery, real wood accents, and a spacious layout that offers both comfort and style. The interior lighting and ambient settings add a refined touch, making it an inviting space for both drivers and passengers. Safety is prioritized in the new DS19, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that ensures confidence on any road. Citroën's advanced driver assistance systems make every journey safer, whether it's your daily commute or a weekend road trip. In summary, the 2025 Citroën DS19 combines elegance, power, and innovation in a way that honors its legacy while pushing boundaries. For more detailed reviews of cars like this, be sure to subscribe to the AutoVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.